Hi, in this video I will teach you how to add different coins or tokens to your Metamask wallet. Here we go. I will show you 3 ways to do this. The first way. Open Metamask. On the main window, click Import Tokens. Then in the search box write the name of the token you want to add. Choose the desired token from the search results and click Next. Next, import tokens. Done. Now you can see that the token appears in the list in your wallet. You can add as many tokens as you want. The second way. If the search does not find the name of the token, then add the token through a smart contract. Any token has its own smart contract address. You need to find the smart contract address of the coin you want to add. Use the coinmarketcap service to do this. If you don't know how to use this service, watch my video overview of coinmarketcap, hint in the upper right corner. Find the token you need. Find the contract address. Click this button and the address will be copied. Go to Metamask. Import tokens. Next, custom token. Paste the copied token address. The rest of the data will be filled in automatically. Click Add Custom Token. Import tokens. Done. And finally, the third way, the easiest. Go to CoinMarketCap. Select or search for the coin you wish to add. Find a smart contract address and next to it you'll see a fox, a MetaMask icon. Click on it. Add token. That's all. The token appears in the list in your wallet. Easy and simple. Give a like for a useful video, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.